Ever wonder why learning English vocabulary is so important? Well, it's all about the power of words. A rich vocabulary is like a painter's palette. The more colors you have, the more nuanced and vibrant your painting can be. Similarly, the more words you know, the more precisely you can communicate your thoughts, ideas, and emotions. Imagine trying to describe a sunset without words like dusk, horizon, or silhouette. It just wouldn't capture the same magic, would it? A broad vocabulary allows you to express the full range of human experience, from the simplest pleasures to the most complex concepts. It helps you avoid misunderstandings and misinterpretations, making your communication clearer and more effective. Whether you're writing an email, giving a speech, or just having a casual conversation, the words you choose matter. So, a strong vocabulary is a powerful tool in communication, shaping both what we say and how well we are understood. Did you know that a robust English vocabulary can be a key to academic success? Imagine trying to understand a textbook without knowing the meaning of half the words in it. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. A good vocabulary helps you understand the material you're studying, participate in class discussions, and perform well on exams. Think about writing an essay or a research paper. A wide vocabulary gives you the tools to express your thoughts and ideas clearly. It helps you avoid repetition, making your writing more engaging and easier to read. It's like painting a picture. The more colors you have, the more detailed and vibrant your painting can be. In the same way, the more words you know, the more detailed and vibrant your understanding and expression of the world become. Therefore, a strong vocabulary can open doors to academic achievements. What if I told you that your English vocabulary could impact your career prospects? In our globalized world, English is the lingua franca of international business, making a strong vocabulary an invaluable asset. Consider the world of commerce, where clear, effective communication can make or break a deal. An extensive vocabulary not only aids in expressing ideas precisely, but also in understanding the nuances of negotiations. Imagine being in a meeting with international colleagues. With a strong vocabulary, you can express your thoughts clearly, understand others, and contribute meaningfully to discussions. Or think about report writing, an essential part of many jobs. A diverse vocabulary allows you to write detailed, clear reports that effectively convey your findings and recommendations. In job interviews, your command of English vocabulary can impress potential employers, demonstrating your communication skills and intellectual prowess. Clearly, a rich vocabulary can give you an edge in the global job market. Can learning new words actually make you smarter? The answer is a resounding yes. Expanding your vocabulary isn't just about knowing more words. It's an exercise that stimulates the brain, prompting it towards intellectual growth. Think of your brain as a muscle. Just as a workout at the gym strengthens your physical muscles, learning new words and their meanings exercises your cognitive muscles. This brain workout is what enhances your cognitive abilities. For instance, when you learn a new word, you're not just memorizing a sequence of letters. You're also understanding its meaning, its context, and how it can be used in a sentence. This process sharpens your memory and reasoning skills. Moreover, encountering unfamiliar words forces your brain to solve the puzzle of its meaning, based on context or roots, thereby boosting your problem-solving abilities. So, expanding your vocabulary is not just about words, it's about enhancing your cognitive abilities. In conclusion, why does English vocabulary matter? It's an integral part of our daily lives, a tool that shapes our communication, and a foundation for our cognitive abilities. A strong vocabulary allows us to communicate effectively, express our thoughts, ideas, and feelings with clarity and precision. It's a key player in academic success, enabling students to engage in meaningful class discussions, comprehend textbooks, and excel in exams. In the world of work, a rich vocabulary opens doors to a plethora of career opportunities. It's the language of international business, and employers value individuals who can articulate their ideas clearly and write coherent reports. Moreover, learning new words stimulates our brain, contributing to our intellectual growth. It enhances our memory, reasoning, and problem-solving abilities, and it's crucial for reading comprehension and writing proficiency. In essence, learning English vocabulary is a journey of growth, opening up opportunities and empowering you in numerous ways.